Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add funds to your crypto.com wallet. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are on the main application for crypto.com and this is the home screen. All you have to do is go to the top left section where you can see all the section right here. And then from here you're going to go to your crypto wallet. And then from here you can go to pay. And then from here you can choose whatever section you might like. So there are gift cards that you can buy from directly in case your cash reward doesn't work by the time that you watch this video. Since for getting cash, you need to verify your account and you need to supply. So as you can see right here, once you click on cash and open it, it will tell you that you will open a Euro account with 0 deposit fees, near instant transfer speed, and use your bank account to transfer funds. But once you click on continue, then it will tell you that verification is pending. So until that is done, then you can use the gift cards. But once you have your verification done, then all you have to do is select whichever amount you would like and then add your credit card, and that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.